Good afternoon, everyone. Things can change in an hour. We have a horrific snowstorm here out in the west coast of Okanagan Lake. It's blowing, it's snowing. Winds are crazy, 50 to 60 kilometers an hour, even more. And yeah, it just changes in a minute. I think you're out on the prairies. Anyways, we'll flip you over to the lake camera here. Hang on. There you go. Look at this. Crazy, crazy weather. What the heck's going on here? I think it was winter and it's still only fall. Another month till winter. Anyways, we might have 3-4 inches of snow by the time this is over, but it's supposed to be sunny tomorrow. So let's see. There's a shot of the deck. Take care, stay safe. Any more weather updates, we will update.